Hi, I'm Adam with Versatrans, the best in custom transfers and custom vinyl. And I want to talk to you about our V-Color vinyl and how it can be a great fit for your growing t-shirt business.
Like our V-Cut vinyl, V-Color is a super easy and cost-effective way to place artwork onto t-shirts and other garments using only a heat press. But where V-Cut is ideal for simple designs using one color, V-Color is capable of producing multiple colors and photorealistic images. It's a great option for durability, affordability, and high detail. Order as many or as little as you like. Place your order by 6 p.m. and it'll ship the next business day. And the best part is, you don't have to mess around with any vinyl cutters. All you have to do is place, press, and peel, saving your business time and money. We're here to help you grow your t-shirt business, and with the fastest turnaround time in the industry, long-lasting durability, and no screen or setup fees, we're confident that Versatrans is your best choice for speed, quality, and affordability.
Now, if you have any questions about our V-Color vinyl, leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer. You can also visit us at www.versatrans.com, or if you like talking with humans as much as we do, give us a call at 888-414-7604. I'm Adam with Versatrans. Thanks for watching.